Anna, I was waiting for my coffee when the coffee machine stopped working. This is the worst timing ever. Maria, yeah, I was just coming in from a customer call when I saw the line. The coffee machine is always the bottleneck spot during the lunch break. Jake enters with a toolkit. Hey, what's going on here? The coffee machine died, Jake. We think it's broken. I was checking the network cables in the service room when I got to the message. Let me take a look. Be careful, someone side it might be the power strip. Jack, opening the back of the machine. Yet, someone spilled water on it. This is messier than the printed yen from last week. Tom walks in. What's going on here? This room is louder than the conference room during a meeting. Anna, the coffee machine stopped working, and now everyone is panicking. First the air conditioner, now the coffee machine. This is the hottest and the most dramatic week we've had. Yeah, don't worry. I was already working on a backup plan. I'll switch what the power strip. It'll be faster this way. Maria, thanks, Mike. You're faster than most repair services. Anna, and definitely more helpful than the manual. Thank you for your time.